take a look at this. This isn't just a dirty car. This BMW 7 Series has been completely entombed in mud. It looks less like a detailing job and more like an archaeological dig. Every single inch of the interior, the seats, the steering wheel, the dashboard, is caked in thick, cracked, bone-dry clay. Our restorer starts the only way he can, by literally breaking off massive chunks of the earth with his bare hands. The cup holders are essentially mud pots, and the center console is buried. To even begin the real work, the entire interior, seats, door panels, and trim has to be completely stripped out. With the major chunks removed, it's time to break out the water. While still inside the cabin, he tackles the dashboard and center console with a hose and a heavy-duty brush. You can finally see glimpses of the original wood grain and green trim underneath. But this is just surface level. The mud has seeped into every button, every dial, and every seam. Down in the footwells, it's a literal swamp. He scoops out buckets of murky brown water just to see the floorboards. Meanwhile, the removed interior panels get the spa treatment. He dumps them into a massive vat of vibrant pink, high-density foam. With a stiff brush, years of baked-on grime and flood damage are scrubbed away. A quick rinse reveals pristine beige trim pieces that look like they just rolled off the factory line. Now for the hardest part, the luxury leather seats. They're blasted with a thick layer of white and then pink snow foam. After a rigorous hand scrub, a heavy-duty extractor vacuum is brought in. Watch this. It pulls all the muddy, soapy water straight out of the perforated leather, instantly bringing back that original high-end beige finish. He even uses a specialized power tool to grind the rust and grit out of the seat caps. Back to the car. With the interior completely hollowed out, he takes a pressure washer straight to the bare metal chassis and wiring harnesses. The water drains out through the bottom like a sieve. To ensure no mold or smell remains, the entire bare metal cabin is blasted with a snow foam cannon. Every pillar, every door frame, and every inch of the floorboard is sanitized. You can't have a pristine interior with a ruined exterior. The outside of the BMW gets blanketed in that signature pink foam. As the pressure washer cuts through the grime, the beautiful champagne silver paint is finally uncovered. The headlights, the grille, the alloy wheels, they are completely reborn. After meticulously wiping down the bare metal, it's time to put the puzzle back together. The dashboard trim clicks back into place. The air conditioning vents, the center console, and the steering wheel are carefully reinstalled. Finally, those beautifully restored leather seats are bolted back in. Just look at this interior. From a solid block of cracked mud to absolute showroom quality luxury. And the ultimate test? He turns the key, the engine actually fires up, and this resurrected BMW 330 Li drives right out of the yard. An abandoned, flood-damaged nightmare brought completely back to life.